reason why I do real estate and the reason why I do what I do is because I love helping people obtain something that they've dreamed of their whole life. I go above and beyond for my clients. I'm very responsive. I take every client as a priority because I know that for them this step is so important, so I make it important for me. The last sale that we did with my partner, it was in Hialeah, a young person that tried to purchase a condo for his parents. We finally made it happen for him, thank God, before the new year, so it was a great time and a great way to bring in the year. It's such a fulfilling feeling for me to be able to help people. More that it's real estate is such a big thing for everybody. I feel whole. And I'm able to say, here are your keys, this is your brand new house, ready to make new memories, ready to have a brand new life. My name is Emma Rojas and I am here to help you find your perfect spot.